Onychomycosis is an infection of the toenails, usually caused by a fungus. It can also be caused by a non-dermatophyte or a mold. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Kleiss. I've been a podiatrist now for 23 years, and during that time we've been treating toenail fungus for that entire amount of 23 years. We started to get involved with laser treatment for toenail fungus 18 months ago, and we've treated hundreds of patients since that time. It's been estimated in the United States roughly 20 to 30 million people have onychomycosis. The incidence tends to go up as we get older. GenesisPlus treatment for onychomycosis is much more favorable than other treatments currently available. With topical treatments, the treatment can take 9 to 12 months or longer. Also, the success rate is very low with any topical. As far as oral medications, those can be used, but since they do have systemic side effects, especially with the liver, that's much more of a concern as far as treatment. GenesisPlus works by emitting a laser beam that passes through the nail plate to eradicate the fungus that's in the nail plate, as well as the nail bed. We also use the laser over the nail root to eradicate the fungus at its source. The features of GenesisPlus include a larger spot size. With the 5mm spot size, we can cover a larger area of the nail in a shorter period of time, which also makes it more difficult to miss any part of the nail. With GenesisPlus, the treatment can be done anywhere from 15 to 20 or 25 minutes. With some other systems, it can take 30 to 40 to 45 minutes per treatment. GenesisPlus also has the LED readout on the handpiece, which helps us to determine the proper temperature for treatment of the nail. Pricing was another factor that made myself choose GenesisPlus over other systems. Other systems may require a minimum payment per month, and the laser is never owned by the practitioner. With Cutera and GenesisPlus, we were able to purchase the laser, and with GenesisPlus, we see a much higher return on our investment. Patient satisfaction is also important to us, and patients have accepted the use of GenesisPlus for their treatment of toenail fungus very readily. We haven't had a single adverse effect. The treatment is simple to perform. There's very little discomfort during the procedure. Many people, because they have the toenail fungus present, they hide their feet from their friends, their family, and having them free of that fungus makes them feel much better about themselves overall.